In the Architecture tab, there is a Roof button. A roof can be built in 3 ways: by footprint, by extrusion, or by face. Let's use the footprint method. If we press the button, we switch to the roof outline drawing mode. Let's take an ordinary rectangle and apply some offset. For example, it will be 300 mm, drawing our roof. Automatically each line has a slope. This means that the roof will be ordinary, 4-sided, that is, from each line in the direction of the center there will be a slope. Let's see what happens. Let's switch to the 3D view. The roof was created at floor level. We can change the level to the first floor. We see that an ordinary hipped roof has been created. Let's continue editing at the first floor level. If we want to make a roof not 4-sided, but 2-pitched. To do this, we simply remove the slope from the 2 opposite lines. Let's see what happens. Let's switch to the 3D view. We see that the roof has become gable. In this case, the walls, transverse gables, must be attached to the roof. This is done very simply. The walls are selected, the pull to plane button is pressed, we select our roof and we see that the walls are attached in the same way and the previous walls were not attached either, but this was not visible. We can also select them and also we can attach it to our roof. The roof is fully properly formed. I think it is clear that we can remove the slope from the 3rd side of this roof and get a single pitch roof. A simple single pitch roof. It is also possible to shift the baselines from the levels. Thus, semi-hip roofs are obtained. This is the way. For example, we can make an offset from the plane for 2 opposite walls. If we set the offset to 500 mm, for example, we'll see that we've been able to get a half-hip roof from the edges, and our walls still retain the addition to the roof.